Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
So, today's destination is Kakolem Beach, which is in South Goa, famously known for its waterfall connecting to the beach. As you can see today that we have decided to take the car because it was just too hot outside for a bike ride. The beach is around 60 kilometers from my house, and yes, this is my friend's car. Location of the place is available on Google Maps, and I would provide a link in the description of this video. As to get a fair idea of the place, I would recommend you to watch this video fully and then check out the location. We soon took a pit stop for ourselves and had some omelette pav and pav bhaji. And after that, we were back on the road.
20 minutes later.
After a lot of chit-chat in the car and some really nice scenery all around, we had reached our destination for the day. Well, almost reached. After a short off-road trail, it was time to park the car and start with the track down the cliff to the beach. The trek down was actually very easy. If you're planning to come here, be sure to come in the morning and do carry water bottles and some snacks with you. But make sure to carry back those empty or full bottles and the waste material from your snacks. The view from here reminds me of Kabderam Fort, one of my first ever videos on this channel. I'll provide a link in the description of this video, do check it out. It's a nice small beach with a waterfall connecting to the beach. Well, for the waterfall, I think we messed up the timing a bit, as the flow of water wasn't quite there yet. Otherwise, when the flow is more, the waterfall looks pretty good. Anyways, let's explore the place a bit more. So we came down from somewhere over there, and as you can see, the steps, or for that matter even the path, is not visible from over here. Oh yeah, our drone decided not to fly due to some signal error, so no drone shots today. Also, the sea was a bit rough and muddy to actually go for a swim in it, but it was in a full mood to be cinematic. There are people over here. I'll try to zoom in on them. I don't know how they reached there. Probably they went from that side somewhere and trekked down, maybe, I don't know. But I would love to do that path. If anyone from Kankon is watching this and you all know a path to reach there, over there, let me know. I'll come back here. had visited the place, we had thought that the whole beach would be for ourselves. But to our surprise, there were people around, and I'm sure on weekends there'll be more rush over here. It's almost inevitable to find a beautiful place without trash by humans. And I have said it before and I will say it again. Take back your trash from the places you visit along with beautiful memories from the place. There are huts and shacks over here, but I have no idea when they would be open or what are the tariff of the place, as there was no one around to ask. Coming next to the waterfall, well, I said it before, the flow of water isn't the best. Guess I'll have to come back again next time to see the waterfall in its full glory. But anyways, let's make most of what we have. 'So here is one last look of the beach for this time around. And now let's trek back up to the car. The beach and the view and the little waterfall is definitely good, but these steps, oh my god, you can't even see them right now, but you have to go all this way on top. I'll be sure to count them as we go on top. Wish me luck.
One eternity later.
Hundred steps later, this is the view, and this is our state. Let's go. $200 steps later. More to go. Oh, 259 steps later. This is the view. It is 286 steps in total, and this is the view. So let's roll. Now we have to trek for about, I think, 600 meters, and we'll reach to the car. Let's go. Next thing on our mind was lunch, because we were starving after that climb. But before that, some kanda bhaji. So we had lunch at a local restaurant at Talpan Beach with an amazing view of the beach and some doggos. So let's start.
Round 1. Fight! Round 2. Fight! Final round. Fight!
taking pictures of doggo and he's taking picture of him. With our lunch done, it was time to hit the road again. And our next stop is what I believe is called as the Galgibag Bridge. And the view from here is just next level amazing. Check it out.
अरे माका गया हमारा
So with another spot done, we decided to head back home with no more intentions to stop anywhere else. But on our way back, we were greeted with a beautiful view of the distant mountains covered partially in clouds. We waited for a few minutes to admire the beauty. And the last thing for the day was admiring the beautiful colors in the sky. So if you watched the video till here, एक like तो ज़रूर बनता है. And share this video with a friend with whom you want to go there. Share it on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, whatever. But be sure to share it. And if you haven't already, a sub to the channel would be appreciated. Here are the top comments of my previous video. Feel free to comment this time around. And I will see you in my next video. Take care and peace.